Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. On this video, I will be telling you a bit about myself and what my channel is about, because I noticed I did not really introduce myself at the start of my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a get to know me video. So guys, I'll be starting this video out by introducing myself. My name is Mabel Tarilaifa Robinson Irabi. I have a very long name, so let me break it down just in case I was too fast. Mabel Tarilaifa Robinson Irabi. I'm from Bayelsa State, Nigeria. I'm a YouTuber in Bayelsa State. I base in Bayelsa, and I also school here. I'm studying theater art in the Niger Delta University here in Bayelsa State. What else? Okay, I'm a makeup artist and I'm in school, so YouTube is something I've always wanted to do. Right now I've not really been consistent with my YouTube video because I just got into school, and being a theater art student is really stressful. People would say theater art is all about dancing, but my dear, it's something else. I also want to tell you a little bit about what my channel is going to be about. So basically on this YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, you're going to be seeing a lot of beauty related content, because I mentioned earlier I'm a makeup artist. I love beauty, I love fashion, so you're going to be seeing fashion content, lifestyle content, and I'm going to also show people what life as a theater art student is like, because I feel like most people think being a theater art student is just about okay, dance, they just feel it's all rosy. So I'll be giving you guys a view of my life as a theater art student, because I just started. Anyways, so you're going to be seeing fashion, beauty, lifestyle content, and things about myself, basically things I love, girl talks about being a being a girl. Okay, and also life in general, things I love. You're going to be seeing content about things I love as time goes on. So just if what I just said sounds interesting to you, you would like to be a part of my YouTube family, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be a part of my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. I'll also be putting down my social media handles on the screen somewhere around here, or maybe here, I don't know, but you're sure going to see it on the screen, so we can keep in touch. Also outside of YouTube, I would really love for you to be a part of my YouTube channel. Like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be too long. I introduced myself, I told you what my channel is going to be about, and as time goes on I will also update this get to know me video just to add a little bit more things I feel like I didn't mention, because I know I did not mention a lot of things about myself in this get to know me. This get to know me was like just telling you about my channel and a bit about myself. So if you watched this far, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. I also uploaded a few other videos. I'm going to put a link in the description bar below so you can go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.